How do I start this? I guess welcome to like one of our first vlogs. Today I woke up at like 5 in the morning and I was like, okay, I want to try something different today. So I decided, like, I have all of these orders to pack. We went live yesterday on TikTok for like 4 hours. I think it was a little over 4 hours. So we have all of these orders to pack, and I've been wanting to show you guys, like, I don't know, I've been wanting to kind of record like a behind the scenes or like a come pack with me or work with me type of video, just to try it out and see how it goes. I don't know if there will be more after this. I guess we'll see how it goes. Before I start though, I need to go grab a drink. I need a Red Bull. Okay, so first step that I have to do for these orders is to seal them with my, where are you? With my sealing machine. That is, it's called an impulse sealer. These bags that I use when I package up your guys' rhinestones, they can be sealed and they're resealable Ziploc type of bags. If you guys have been wondering where I've been, I have been doing more of like a face-to-face stream on TikTok. And the reason why I haven't been going live here on YouTube is because I want to figure out how to stream just from one camera and just have one screen of like comments, of like everybody's comments. That way I don't have to like constantly look around and read people's different comments from different platforms or from different phones. So I need to work on that. I also need to constantly like work on your guys' packages, which thank you so much. Like, you guys are amazing. Thank you.
Okay, so at this point, I completely forgot to finish recording what I was going to say because I ended up getting a call from my friend. But I forgot to mention that after sealing the bags per order, I start to package them up in either some bubble mailers or boxes, depending on like what the customer purchases. But most of the orders that I end up getting fit into the 6x9 bubble mailers. So this process goes by pretty quickly, to be honest.
This one is for, who was it for? For Elizabeth, my name twin. She got a whole bunch of colors and some color blends with these. Like, so gorgeous. If you guys ever want to pick up rhinestones, you are always more than welcome to, whether I'm live or not. The website's always available for you guys. I have scoops, which are these, which are a mix of 3 sizes. They're a mix of 3, 4, and 5 millimeter rhinestones. So if you'd like to do scatter pattern or like fitting each rhinestone in like a puzzle wherever it fits, these are perfect for that. But if you like to do pens or tumblers where you mainly just use one size, I do also have single sizes of rhinestones available. All right, I just finished sealing all of the bags. These, like, just look at all of these. They're so pretty. This is all for Jessica. These are so, oh my gosh, so gorgeous, like these mixes. This one's called Peachy Sunset. It's gorgeous. This one too, this one's called Pinky Minky Muss. Like, do you see how cute that is? I love it. And then we've got like single colors like these. So for whatever project that you have, we most likely have a color for you. Okay, I just finished packing up these orders. The next thing that I have to do is weigh them so I can purchase and print out the shipping labels for them. It's basically the last step that I have to do to package up the orders. And I do that routine every day after a stream. Finished printing out the labels, so now I just have to put them on the packages and then they should be good to ship out. we're all done. So now we just gotta drop them off. But yeah, that's basically what I do in the mornings after a stream. After this, I think I'm gonna eat something and then try to relax for a little bit because I'm like very tired from waking up at 5 in the morning. But I might take a nap, I'm gonna be honest. After that, after waking up, I'll probably come back in this room and start to prep for the stream later tonight. And tonight is Thursday. So we have 2 more streams for this week, but yeah. Thanks guys, see you later. I feel so tired, but I feel like I can't sleep. I'm in my big Snuggie, which is what I usually wear if it's like cold in my room. But I was thinking, instead of taking a nap, I think I want to go ahead and like finally put up some string lights that I have been meaning to put up because I don't know, I feel like this place needs some more decoration. There's like nothing on the walls. Absolutely nothing. Okay, I lied about doing the lights. I ended up starting to work on the video because I got super excited. But look at that. A bit of a inception moment. Okay, I accidentally spent all my time working on that video for you guys. But unfortunately, that means I can't put up the lights tonight, which sucks. But it's okay. I do this all the time. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started and see which colors need to be refilled for the stream and then go from there. And then I will be on TikTok hopefully within an hour. So I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys there. And then maybe we can have an update after the stream just to chat about how it went. But I'm thinking it's gonna be like a 3-hour stream. Yeah. Wish me luck. Bye. Do you see how pretty this purple is? Good morning. I forgot to have like a little update after the stream last night because things got a little emotional. It's good now. I think I went to sleep at like 1 in the morning and then I got up at 4:30 in the morning to go to the gym with my bestie, with one of my friends. But yeah, it's 6:48 now and I'm gonna work on packing up these orders. No, actually, I think I'm gonna work on editing this video and then uploading it to YouTube and then get started on the rest of my work. But yeah, it's almost like 7 in the morning. I feel good. I hated waking up though. But once you're working now and like in the gym and like in the moment, it feels fine. And then afterwards it feels great. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But so yeah, that was what is she doing? That was the day yesterday. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna continue this or not because I feel like it does take a bit of time, but it's so fun. I just wish I had more time. But yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Mona.